This song is called Compliments of the Blues. This old curse on my heart is probably for making you blue. I remember the start. It was a love that I thought was true. Then old time took its course. It finally took me from you. It's just another sad song, compliments of the blues. I told myself many times.
Do something funny. Do something funny. Oh, that's not funny. You just standing there.
I won't be with someone like you, but I fell prey to your eyes and the joy of finding someone new. But like all past times, I'm the only one playing the fool. It's just another sad song, compliments of the blues.